all about Symbian and Mobile Industry Review.
Hello, I'm here with Srikanth from Sasken. I'm proud to say one of our member companies within the Symbian Foundation. Srikanth, can you tell us why join the foundation?
Hi, my name is Srikanth. I'm from Sasken Communications. I'm basically handling the technology portfolio for mobile internet at Sasken. And the reason why we have joined Symbian Foundation as a member, we are already a member with Symbian Foundation and we are a platinum partner. But the direction in which we are going right now to basically contribute to the Symbian Foundation for doing some special initiative on the mobile internet software framework, like what we call the SMF. The direction we have chosen, the reason why we have chosen this direction is basically we see that a lot of focus on the mobile devices today is being able to tap multitude of services that are available on the cloud, like take it social networking, take email, messaging, location, a plethora of services. So far, there's not been a unified way of tapping into these services from the cloud. I think the traditional platform model that most of the handset operating systems have not integrated very well the way you can actually tap these services in a very native fashion with better performance, with better user experience. I think with this kind of a initiative, we feel that we are opening up new opportunities for partnering with multitude of these web services companies, the internet companies, as well as with operators for launching more rich applications. Rather than creating multitude of applications, I think you have a single platform or a middleware which enables developers to create these kind of variety of applications, which will be of immense value to mobile users. So this is one of the major reasons why we have chosen. And there are going to be interesting business models that are going to be emerging out of this, and we are actually looking forward for that.
One of the things we do differently within the Symbian ecosystem versus other ecosystems, let's say Android, let's say a closed ecosystem like Apple's or RIM's, is that we run a meritocracy. So we're very much dependent on contributions from member companies, and we very much ask and drive for those contributions, right? So we've asked for your assistance, for your help. What kind of contributions are you making to our efforts?
So right now, we are actually owning a package called the SMF. This is just one step in the direction, and I think there are certain other initiatives also that we plan to do with mobile internet and the application area exploding. I think there is a lot more to be tapped into the Symbian platform, which has emerged out to be one of the top platforms for the cell phones across the globe. And the way we have the strategic partnerships are some of our key customers, like for example Nokia or Samsung. A whole bulk of them are actually using Symbian as the core platform for their devices, and I think there is more to tap, and I think this is one direction in this. The package that we are talking about, the social mobile framework, I think we will take more similar initiatives going forward, because I think it's a case by case. We have to see some opportunities, and I see right now there are a lot of opportunities available in this space, and we are going to continue to do this.
So this social mobile framework, the SMF as you call it, this contribution, enables us to do tremendous things, right? It's an open API that anybody can use to access these social networks, do different things on the cloud, as you say.
Absolutely.
What else can we expect from Sasken in this regard?
I think with this being just the beginning of a new application middleware framework on Symbian Foundation, I think there are a multitude of possibilities where we can actually enable the developer community to develop more rich applications on Symbian Foundation. I think while social mobile framework is one element, I think we can also explore a lot of location-aware based frameworks that we can tap into, where Symbian already has a MLF, the mobile location framework. I think we are exploring more such opportunities in these other aspects of, like for example, entertainment and music. I think there are a lot more to explore right now. I think we want to see how this thing goes. We want to make this as a success first, and we want to set an example, and then we want to explore based on the kind of traction that we see from the market and from the ecosystem. And I think we are going to continue to do this. And I think we already see some of our customers already asking for similar such requirements, like, for example, social phone book. Some of the device OEMs are asking about social phone books. The operators are talking about an element of social networking in most of the applications that they pre-launch into their devices. So I think we have more dimensions to add. So I think the first dimension is this one right here, and we will continue to explore more such dimensions.
It sounds exciting. I mean, you're talking about locationing, metadata and attributes associated with content, media streaming. You touched on entertainment. I mean, you know, there's a lot happening here, it sounds like, in this context. I mean, let me ask, are you getting what you need from the foundation and what I'll call our model, our business model and approach?
Definitely, I think it's a very open platform that you have, the Symbian forum, where you basically nurture, you encourage your partner companies or the members to basically have open discussions, discussions regarding technical architectures, opportunities. Very encouraging and very, I would say, very catalytic. The way you work with us, and I think it's also very professional at the same time. I believe so far it's been very encouraging. Yeah.
Srikanth, we wish you all the success. If there's anything more we can do to help you, let us know. And welcome again, and thank you for your contributions.
Absolutely, thank you very much, and I will also look forward for more such brilliant opportunities from Symbian Foundation. Yeah, thank you.
Stay tuned for more and all about Symbian and Mobile Industry Review.